Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Wi-Fi keeps randomly disconnecting and dropping out on your Windows 11 computer, it can make browsing or working completely impossible. I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust your power settings, reset your network configuration, and change your DNS to lock in a stable connection. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure Windows isn't intentionally turning off your Wi-Fi card to save battery. Right-click on your Start menu icon and open Device Manager. Click the small arrow next to Network Adapters to expand the list, find your specific Wi-Fi adapter like Intel Wi-Fi 6, right-click it and select Properties. If you see a Power Management tab at the top of the window, click on it. Carefully uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then hit OK. While you're there, go to the Driver tab, click Update Driver, and select Search Automatically for drivers to make sure your Wi-Fi card is running the latest software. If changing the power settings didn't fix the dropouts, we need to perform a clean reset of your network. Right-click on your Start menu again and select Settings. On the left side, click on Network and Internet, and then click on Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and hit Yes. This completely reinstalls your Wi-Fi adapters and wipes out any corrupted connection files. Keep in mind, when your PC restarts, you'll need to type in your Wi-Fi password again to reconnect. If your connection is still unstable after the reset, let Windows diagnose the issue directly. Click your Windows search box, type in Troubleshoot Settings, and hit Enter. Click on Other Troubleshooters, find Network and Internet in the list, and click Run. Just let Windows scan your system to see if it can automatically detect and repair whatever is causing the random disconnections. Finally, if your connection stays connected but pages stop loading randomly, changing your DNS can completely stabilize your browsing. Right-click your Start menu, select Run, and type in exactly ncpa.cpl and hit Enter to open your network connections. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. At the bottom, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS, type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK on both windows to lock in Google's highly stable public DNS servers, which often completely stops those random browsing dropouts. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.